welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, your madam, Urban One Originer. And for today's video guys, ay papakita ko sa inyo kung anong laman ng bag na ginamit ko this time. So actually, what I have now is an Alpi Palm Spray, a mini version. And disclaimer lang po, this is not a real one. This is not authentic. But I think this is just a replica. Yeah, I believe so. So I got this from online sellers. And gustuhan ko lang talaga siya, so pinili ko na lang din. Since di pa naman natin afford ng ganitong kamahal. I don't know how much it will cost, but I believe mahal siya. So but before that, of course, kailangan muna natin mag-alcohol. So to disinfect everything. It's naka, as you can see, wala tayong lipstick ngayon. So hindi ako nakapagdala kasi nga yung normal na, hindi naman makikita yung lips natin kasi nakamask tayo. So, wala. It's better not to wear lipstick or whatever. So, at least maganda pa naman din tayo. So, for this time, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakakay bag. So, as you can see, di ba, sobrang puno, napaka-bulk ng bag ko. So, ito lang talaga. Actually, this is not my daily bag. This isn't the usual bag na ginagamit ko when it comes to when going to office or kung mag-duty man ako. So actually maliit lang to siya. Ngayon ko lang siya ginamit kasi wala akong masyadong dala. So kaya tinasya ko lahat ng pwedeng ilagay dito. Okay, so let's open our bag. So as you can see, ganyan siya. So napakapuno ng loob. So the first thing na ipapakita ko sa inyo is, of course, I have here my phone. Ayun, so my phone. Next is, of course, nito mask, my designer mask. And so, since normal na tayo, so parang, I don't think so na maybe siguro, next year pa, hanggang next year pa to, na kailangan talaga natin mag-mask. And then face shield. And siya, it's a new normal na talaga na meron tayong ganyan. Next is, of course, I have here my pens. So, a lot of pens here. And also, another pen. A pen slash stylus. Next is another pen, and of course I have here my toothbrush. So this is very important, guys. So hindi talaga ako alis na wala to. Of course, my toothpaste naman din kami sa. And then I also have here my perfume. And so though naka-quarantine tayo, though naka-lockdown yung city natin, but at least mabango pa rin tayo. And of course, I have here my coin purse. So ito lang talaga yung binila ko kasi di kasya yung malaking wallet ko dito. So dito, at least dito all-in-one na. Dito na yung ATM card ko and then a little bit cash. Maliit lang na cash. And then, of course, my company ID. Hindi ko lang siya sinuot ngayon. Next is, I have another charger for my phone. And then, charger for my laptop, for this one. And then, also, I have my foundation. An Ishido foundation, beige. So, this is matte beige. So, ito yung ano ko kasi hindi naman din na-appreciate ng tao yung look natin, especially yung lipstick or naka-makeup tayo kasi nga, naka-mask din naman tayo sa loob ng office or kahit saan tayo makapunta sa wala. Ito na lang para iwas oil skin. And then, so I also have here my bandage and of course, my alcohol. So, hindi talaga ito nawawala. So, parang yung normal na talaga. It's a normal na talaga magdala tayo ng mga alcohol. And then, so yun lang guys, yung kasya sa loob ng bag na to. So as you can see, napakaliit lang yung compartment na sa loob. Actually, yung totoo talaga, kasi ni-research ko, I made a research, nanood ako ng videos, yung totoo talaga ng palm spray is, yung interior talaga dito, leather at saka black. Hindi glamon. So, dito pala, makikita rin natin na this is not a real one. So this is just a replica. And as you can see, ay siya may code dito. Ayan. Kung if you do a research, kasi nilagay ko na siya sa website niya, may code na parang ilagay mo lang yung code, malalaman mo kung authentic or hindi. So walang nag-reflect, so it means wala talaga. This is just a replica. And then as you can see, the back portion, so yung sa totoo is may line siya dito guys. So this one wala. So plain lang talaga siya. So ano lang to? Nakikita naman yun, so wala talaga siya. And then this one, actually this is a cute one. Sa harap naman is, ayun siya, may packaging, napakagulan lang. So may package siya, so tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede. Siya, napakaliit ng package dito. And then yung kasya lang dito is yung earphone or headset ko. And then, ayun, so guys, yun lang yung pwedeng malagay actually dito sa bag ko. So, I don't have any things nga dala ngayon. So, yun lang yung kasha. Pinagkasha ko talaga sa loob. Actually, may ulam pa kanina, but wala na ngayon. So, yun lang guys. I hope you like it. And thanks for watching. And I hope you like my video.